Okay, so today is our date night, and I am going to make a video before we get started so you can see all the work that went into planning this meal. I ordered this, it's called a electric steamboat with a grill. So what you do is you put your vegetables and noodles, you make your own broth. I made my own broth with just some adobo, some bouillons, and some chicken flavored. And I added 2 sticks of butter, a little garlic, and a little sesame oil, and a little teriyaki, just to give it a nice little flavor. And it really did come out delicious. And as you can see, this is my seafood. I have plenty more crab legs, but hubby don't like crab legs like that, so I'm just gonna eat one. And we have jumbo shrimp, and we have salmon, fresh salmon. We have our cabbage and corn. We have chicken breast cut up. We have steak. It looks a little dark because I did marinate it. We have our rice noodles, and we have our fettuccine noodles, and we have our carrots, and we have our sauces, which is sesame oil, soy sauce, um, hot sauce, and some black pepper. And I know we're not going to get through all of this food today, but it do take work, and you got to cut up your meat thin. And it's recommended if you do this and get your own pot, because this is called a hot pot, and you can buy this pot online, and you could get a bigger one. This is a little smaller version. I'll end up buying this other version that I actually seen on YouTube, but I didn't like the grill part because it had a mount like a hill, so the meat kept sliding off. So this is a more flat surface, so my meat could stay flat. I just can't put as much as I would have if I've gotten a bigger one. This costs $69.99. So I thought this is a great idea for a date night if you have a significant other or just a friend want to come over, and you don't have to use the same utensils when you're cooking, and you want to come over and do something different. And of course, I have my bucket right here with our champagne we're gonna toast, and that's on ice right now. So yes, this is my seafood. These are some big shrimp and the salmon, and that I had to cut up because, as you can see, this grill is not for big pieces of meat. And again, I have the chicken breast, and I have the steak, which is seasoned delicious, corn on the cob, rice noodles, fettuccine, and I have onions here, and we have carrots, and they are sweet. So at 5:30, I will be putting the broth inside here, so that can start getting hot. So when I get ready to go live with you guys, it will already be hot, and we can start cooking. So yeah, I hope you enjoy it, and I'm looking forward to doing this. So we are experiencing this and sharing this together for the first time, because this is my first time. So as you see, I have my plates for the meats, and I have my bowl for the broth and the noodles, and we're gonna add the carrots and the onions and the um, carrots and the onions. It's something, and the cabbage inside the broth with the noodles to give it a nice flavor to it. So I'm really excited. I'm looking forward to doing this with my husband. He's a trooper. He did not even hesitate when I asked him, could we just do this together? And he said, absolutely. So, okay, so I'll see y'all soon, all right? This is before the dinner, because I wanted you to see the preparation that went into getting this meal together, okay? Love you guys. See you soon.